Welcome everyone to HFN. Today's the 8th day of February 2020. Welcome. This is your first time watching our video. Hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, and then follow us on our other social media platforms because simply we're keeping it 100 for each and every one of you. We're just worried about where prices are likely to go. We're not here for views or clicks. That means that you won't get shielded. You won't waste your time on these pointless videos that so many other people have on their channel just to get money from YouTube. For us, we're simply here to tell you where we're expecting the market to go. And today's video is going to be about Uber. Is Uber still a buy? If you guys keep track of this particular stock, you know that earnings occurred on the 6th of February 2020. Considering that the market was very geeked and the market in Uber saw about 9.5% market movement higher this past Friday. Is Uber still a buy? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. But before I do, let me plug you for our other social media platform as well. Specifically Facebook. Definitely check us out on Facebook because like I said many times on our previous videos, that is going to be the location to where you'll see for your own self that our forecast that we predict on our website, you'll get to see it there firsthand once the market actually occurred and hit our TP location. Okay, so definitely check us out at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram as well, and then our website, HueFinancial.com. Now, Uber 9.5% ended the day on Friday. Saw climactic volume come through. Very heavy volume came in on Friday, simply meaning that there was a lot of volatility in this space. We haven't seen this much volume in Uber since the market low on November 6, 2019. Now we're trending back up here to where we started when we first when Uber first IPO'd back here in May of 2019. Okay, so we're right back there once again. Taking a look at Uber stock on the weekly time frame, man, very positive weeks occurred in this particular market for Uber over the last 6 weeks. The market continued to move higher in price. Are we due for a break? Are we going to pump the brakes and stop the market movement higher in Uber? What occurred last week doesn't look like it. And then when you look at Uber on the monthly time frame, I mean, it kind of resembles Tesla stock movement of late, to where we just shot straight higher with no end in sight. Like the market in Uber continues to reflect that it wants to go higher. That's not hard to understand. That's not even hard to tell based off the monthly price chart. Looking at Uber on the 4-hour chart, tell me where all that volume came in at. Exactly right here. So, and then on the following 4-hour price bar, the market in Uber still closed above the last one. So this stock is still pretty strong in the market for Uber. And we're going to anticipate continual movement higher in this stock. Very simple to understand. So let's go ahead and transition over on the daily time frame, and we already hit resistance in Uber right there at $41. So that tells you and I that that is still a possibility for Uber to fail at, to where it could get shook and fall back down to lower price. So don't forget that $41 is where it's at. But either way it go, when you look at Uber on a weekly time frame, this stock is still geeked for higher prices, and that's how we're going to play it. For us, our forecast TP area would be at $42. Okay, right around that particular vicinity. I mean, that's still about 3.5% away from where we closed on Friday, so that's still a pretty good return in profit for Uber. And then ultimately the next area would be 43. Okay, now considering the weekly price chart in Uber, this market may actually continue to make it's going to try to make all-time highs as we go throughout 2020. But we still have to cross $42 and then $43 in order to at least start talking about Uber making all-time highs. But for the moment, we're still looking good in anticipation for the stock to continue to move higher. And we're going to continue to look this out on the daily time frame. And remember, we have our TP price at $42 first and then $43 next. Questions, comments, you know where we're at. Make sure you always maintain our profitability, and I'll see you later.